Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube family and my lovely friends? I hope my all the sweet friends are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, my lovely friends, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful acrylic nail art ideas. These all designs are so stunning and so unique and useful, especially for nail art lovers. I really hope that you will love this amazing collection. So you are share this video with your family and with your lovely friends who want these type of beautiful nail art ideas. I really hope that they will love this amazing collection. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. You can apply these amazing designs on your nails for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you my lovely friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your nail art. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you will receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends. Remember me in your precious prayers. Okay friends, see you soon. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.